Gotta start thinking of how to get myself down here permanently. Good morning once again, and guess where we're at right now? It is October 26th. Actually, I gotta change the battery. Hold on. Today marks the fourth leg of my trip. Oh, sorry, fourth leg of my trip. And gonna be heading to Bali for almost 2 weeks in various parts. Looking forward to this chilled week of not doing anything besides the first week. First week is going to be working on my rescue diver, and then a couple of wreck dives, and then I'll become a master scuba diver. So looking forward to getting that done, and another bucket list checklist complete. And after that, I'll probably head over to Gili Islands to do some yoga, chill with Uncle Jay, who is joining me shortly. So it's gonna be an awesome week. Oh, forgot. Also, well, before Uncle Jay comes, Ged will be joining me for a couple of days, and we'll also be chilling, eating ice cream, and doing some running, and whatever Bali life is. But anyhow, I'm gonna get some breakfast and catch you guys ahead in Bali. Ciao.
Just a little further!
3 hours later.
Are you there yet?
No.
Are you there yet?
No.
Are you there yet?
Yes. This is it.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Arrived in Bali. I'm at the guest house right now. I'm at Joni's guest house, or his aunt's place, and it's pretty nice. Got my own individual room. There's some actual construction going on there, so hope you guys don't mind the noise. But it has a small pool, decent size. Nothing too crazy. I won't be spending much time there because I'll be in class all day tomorrow, and actually the whole week. So I won't be doing much anything here besides studying. There is Wi-Fi, but it's a little weak, so I got to move to this area. Very quiet. Again, the roosters are still haunting me from 2 years ago.
Make it stop, Grabs!
It is a beautiful place. Bali is very nice as usual. So what's included in this guest house is free breakfast every morning, and that's pretty much it. There's TV, there's Wi-Fi. Like I said, Wi-Fi is a little weak, but there's a bunch of restaurants along the roadside. The beach is on that side. I'm just trying to figure out how to get there. And there is a sidewalk, and I will probably do some running after my scuba diving, not during the day, because it is as you can see, look at the sky, not a cloud in the sky, and the sun is beaming down. It will burn you. Even stepping on that right there will burn your feet. You can probably cook eggs on this. Oh shit, that's hot. But anyways, that's pretty much it. I'm here. My SIM card doesn't work. My data plan, it's not working. Please fix it somehow. I have 16 gigs and I don't even know how to get it to work. For some reason it doesn't work in Bali. It was working previously when I was in Yogyakarta. So I don't know, maybe I'll just go buy my new SIM card later on if they have them around. But other than that, I gotta start studying. Tomorrow's in-class scenarios, dive scenarios, and I got about 10 lessons that I gotta go through. So I gotta hammer those down, figure out how to save someone in the ocean, and go from there. Ooh, the jacuzzi jets just turned on, so probably jump in there a little bit later. Let's start on that. Hopefully the internet works out here. What's up, guys? Oh, just had to run. It is first. Oh, let's get some light here. First run since a while, and as you can see, it's hot. So hot. Only ran. Stop. 4K. Ran basically out until there was no sidewalk left, came back, went around the Lily Pond Lake, went all the way, I don't know where I was going until there was no sidewalk left, and then I came back, and then a short cool down, walked up the wrong place, to the wrong residence, and they're like, what is this guy doing here? But I made it back, and it's so hot. Oh, good heat training though. Oh gosh. Whew. Sun is setting. The day is almost over. That water is looking good, but I think I'm just gonna jump into the shower inside. It's basically an outdoor shower. It feels like a sauna in there, so it's pretty good. They should put some chairs in there. Joni, put some chairs in there and more racks so you can hang stuff. But, alright, gotta get a shower and then cool down and maybe walk out, check out the lily pond, find some grub, and then that's it for today. Did I get any studying? A little bit. So minor. I can't remember. I can't retain any of the stuff. So, good luck to me tomorrow. Anyways, guys, I'll check you guys out tomorrow. All right, bye.